Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll show you how to make a YouTube channel. Okay, so I will show you this one with step by step. So at first we are searching here youtube.com. Okay, so going to youtube.com, storage. Okay, so here is our YouTube. Okay, here is English, also translate here. So at first I will create this channel. So I have to. Okay. So this is my Gmail account. So now I will create a YouTube channel here. So can you see here at the right, create a channel. Can you see here, create a channel? Okay, going there. So let's try. So I am a gamer. So that's why uh, I'm using a gaming channel. Like, okay, so things are gaming. Uh, This is my YouTube channel name. So create a channel here. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, your channel is being created. Come back to a little oil. Oil. Okay, so YouTube saying us. Okay, the channel is created complete. So here is our channel. So now our next, uh, I will change the language here. At first going to here. Then I will change here the language to United States. Let me 1 seconds. Where is the US? Where, bro? No, this is not. Where is the United States? Hold on. You see here, it's English now. So where the where is the US, man? Where? It's Ukraine, USA. This one, maybe this one. Okay. Okay. Now our channel is my channel is created. So customize my channel here at first. Okay. So it's loading. Hold on seconds. Okay. So I need to always. Okay. Welcome to YouTube Studio. Okay. Continue here. Okay. Here is step one. Right. Step two. So here is my YouTube profile. It's mean logo. So at first I will create a logo for my channel Danger Gaming. So going to my Illustrator. Okay. Just open this one. Okay. So I will create a new with custom. It's I will here is 1200, also 1200. Okay. So this skin DPI is perfect here, 72 ppi. So create. Okay, I'll create a layer on. So now it's time to, here is my channel name. It's Danger Gaming. So now I create a logo for here. So at first I'll show a title of like my gaming channel name. It's DANGER Danger Gaming. So here is it is. So I'll zoom in here. No, sorry. Okay. Double click here. Then going to uh, its